How to create and edit booking types. Click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Diary Settings tab. Click on the Booking Type Setup. To undelete/delete a booking type, click on the Undelete/delete button next to the desired booking type. If you click on the Add New Type button, then a new booking type will be created. In the Type Name field, you can name the booking type. Service Center and Treating Doctor dropdowns are used to set the defaults for when this booking type is used. Here you can choose whether this booking type is billable. Click on the Invoice Lines button to choose which line should be added to the invoice by default when this booking type is used. Click on the Save button to save and close the Invoice Lines screen. Here you can set the default duration of the booking type. Use the color and font color fields to change the color/font color of the booking type. When the visibility field is set to yes, then bookings of that type will be visible on the diary. Click on the Save button to save and close the settings screen. Click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the User Entities Settings tab. Click on Booking Types. Here you can override the color, font color, sorting order and visibility of the booking type for the logged-in user. Click on the Save button to save and close the settings screen. Now you can see the color of the booking type has changed, but if you log in with a different user, then it will still have the default color.